Hi everybody, this is Bao with House of Dance. I just wanted to share a quick video of how you can find the House of Dance app and download it onto your phone. So you're gonna go ahead to your app store and you're just gonna type in House of Dance, Twin Cities. And this should pop up right here. This app looks like that. You're gonna go ahead and download this. And open that, allow your notifications, and this should be your first pop-up. Once you've downloaded the app, you can go ahead and select on it. The first page that should come on your screen is this welcome page. Be sure that you've already created your parent portal account on our main website before doing this step. Select yes and enter in your parent portal account details. Please take note that for the current winter 2025-26 session, nobody has been included in their classes yet. So once you create your account, I, Bao, on the back end, will add your student manually to their winter session. Once that step has been completed and you log into your account, your student should show up in their class, just like this. The menu will bring you to this page. You can contact the studio, make a phone call directly to us. You can register for classes. As you can see, the spring registration is now available, so all of the classes that your child is eligible for will pop up. Please do enroll into AutoPay. AutoPay will make it so that we can save your payment method. We do not bill you monthly, I promise, so this will only be quarterly on a session-by-session basis. You can change your password. You can view your students. The report card is where you will see their assessment results. If there's a green check mark, that means that they have the move. If there's a gray one, that means that they do not have the move yet. And you gotta have that pass in order to register for the next level. One last thing I would like to note is in order to add other parents, guardians, or grandparents that want to receive communication regarding your student, you just go to your account details, select family contacts, and add new. Select robodials, robotexts, and emails, and statements if you would like them to receive payment notification once you're done. And then press save. Select communications and opt into text messages so that you can get all notifications for us, particularly as we finish out this winter session for any class cancellations. When you're finished with the app, you can stay logged in. Otherwise, from that menu bar, you just select log out. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Peace.